Hi there, I'm Chris Wilson and this is the Gutter Depot headquarters. And today, instead of making gutters, we're making barbecue sauce. We're gonna put it all here into the crock pot. Hopefully it all fits. If not, we'll have to boil it down a little first. So we've managed to empty the rest of the tomatoes into the pot. It's 6 hours later and you can see it's boiled down a little bit and simmering away. So at this point I'm going to add some chipotle. All right. I'm also going to add a little bit of liquid smoke. There's lots of ways that you can smoke your sauce, but this is the easiest. Give it a little bit of a stir. We'll see what we come to tomorrow. I'm gonna let this cook overnight, and then tomorrow we'll come back into the office and see what we're looking at. All right, I'll see you then. Have a good night. We're back. It's day 2. Still got quite a bit of cooking to do here. I'll have to probably leave this for the rest of the day. It's time to add a few more ingredients, okay? We're gonna add a little bit of sea salt.